what you need to know about the COVID-19 vaccine, vaccine cards, and vaccine mandates. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a very bad disease. COVID-19 is caused by a virus. A virus is a type of very small germ. COVID-19 spreads from person to person. It has made a lot of people very sick. A lot of people have died from COVID-19. A lot of people who get COVID-19 can stay sick for a very long time after. COVID-19 is still spreading and making people sick right now.
What is the COVID-19 vaccine? There are now COVID-19 vaccines. Vaccines are shots. Vaccines protect you against different diseases. They keep you from getting sick. Each vaccine protects you against one disease. The COVID-19 vaccines help protect you against COVID-19. In the United States, the COVID-19 vaccines are free. Anyone 5 years old or older can get one. The vaccines work really well to protect you from getting really sick with COVID-19. They work really well to keep you from dying from COVID-19. They also protect you from catching COVID-19 at all. What is a vaccine card? A vaccine card is a card you get when you get your COVID-19 vaccine. Your vaccine card is a piece of paper. Your vaccine card tells you when you got vaccinated. Your vaccine card is a record of when you got vaccinated. Your vaccine card is also proof that you did get vaccinated. When you get vaccinated, the person giving the vaccine will fill out your vaccine card for you. Your vaccine card will have these things on it: your name, your date of birth, your medical record number for the place you got the vaccine, the kind of vaccine you got. In the United States, there are currently 3 different kinds of COVID-19 vaccines you can get: the date you got your vaccine, the place you got your vaccine at, for example, the name of the pharmacy you got vaccinated at. In the United States, there is a standard vaccine card. It looks like this. The standard vaccine card means that no matter where you got vaccinated in the country, you will get the same vaccine card. Why is a vaccine card important? A vaccine card is proof that you got vaccinated. Without it, other people can't know for sure if you got the vaccine. Keep your vaccine card safe. Put your vaccine card somewhere that you won't lose it, like your wallet. Try not to fold your vaccine card. If you fold it, it might be hard to read. Take pictures of your vaccine card. Take one picture of the front of your card. Take one picture of the back of your card. If you have a cell phone, you can keep the picture of your vaccine card on your phone. When do you get a vaccine card? You get your vaccine card when you go get vaccinated for COVID-19. You should get a card for the first COVID-19 vaccine you get. If you get more COVID-19 vaccines after that, you should bring your vaccine card each time you get another COVID-19 vaccine. If you get more COVID-19 vaccines, the person giving you your vaccine will fill the vaccine card out more. For each COVID-19 vaccine you get, they will fill out the kind of vaccine you got. In the United States, there are currently 3 different kinds of COVID-19 vaccines you can get: the date of your vaccine, the place you got your vaccine at, for example, the name of the pharmacy you got vaccinated at. For example, Abdullah is getting his COVID-19 vaccine. The kind of vaccine he is getting needs 2 shots to work best. He gets his shots at a pharmacy. At his first shot, he gets his vaccine card. The pharmacist fills out the vaccine card for him. At Abdullah's second shot, he brings his vaccine card with him. The pharmacist fills out more information about his second shot. Vaccine cards aren't a new thing. Vaccine cards didn't start with COVID-19. Different countries have used vaccine cards for a long time. One example is the yellow card. The yellow card is a vaccine card made by the World Health Organization, or WHO. The WHO is a group that helps fight diseases all around the world. The WHO made the yellow card so people could show they are vaccinated when they travel to a different country. The yellow card is almost 100 years old. When do you use your vaccine card? You would use your vaccine card anywhere you need to prove you got vaccinated for COVID-19. Sometimes you might have to show your vaccine card are at a doctor's appointment, if you want to visit someone in the hospital. If you go somewhere that has a vaccine mandate, we will talk about what a vaccine mandate is in the next section. What is a vaccine mandate? A vaccine mandate is a type of rule. A vaccine mandate says that you need to have gotten a certain vaccine to do something. For example, when children start kindergarten, their parents have to show that the children have been vaccinated for many different diseases. Some of these diseases are measles, mumps, chickenpox. The children can't go to school unless their parents show that the children have been vaccinated. The schools have a vaccine mandate for children to come to school. Some places now have a COVID-19 vaccine mandate. These mandates say that you have to be vaccinated for COVID-19 before you can do certain things. These mandates say you have to show your vaccine card before you can do certain things. For example, Haley is going to see a play. The theater Haley is going to has a vaccine mandate. That means people going to the play have to be vaccinated for COVID-19 to see the play. People going to the play have to show their vaccine cards in order to see the play. People who aren't vaccinated for COVID-19 have to show a negative COVID-19 test. That is a test that says they do not have COVID-19. The vaccine mandate doesn't apply to other places. It only applies at the theater. Other places, like the grocery stores or doctor's offices, don't have a vaccine mandate. People can go to these places without being vaccinated or showing a test. More and more places are starting to have vaccine mandates. That means you will need to show your vaccine card in more places. So it is important to get vaccinated. It is important to keep your vaccine card safe. How do you show that you have been vaccinated? You can show your vaccine card. You can show a picture or copy of your vaccine card. You can show an online copy of your vaccine card. Some states now let you keep a copy of your vaccine card online. That way, you can access your vaccine card with your computer or phone. Why are vaccine mandates important? Vaccine mandates keep us safe. When everyone is vaccinated against a disease, that disease is less likely to spread. People are less likely to get sick with that disease. People are less likely to die of that disease. Vaccine mandates are important because they keep us safe. For example, measles is a bad disease. It spreads between people very easily. So children have to be vaccinated for measles to go to school. That way, all of the children are less likely to get measles. If one child gets measles, they are less likely to spread it to their classmates. Not everyone can get vaccinated. Some children are too young to get vaccinated. Some people can't get vaccinated because they are allergic to the vaccine. Some people can get vaccinated, but the vaccine doesn't protect them very well. For example, Gina is 3 months old. Gina is not vaccinated against COVID-19. She is too young to get vaccinated. Gina lives with her parents and older siblings. Her parents are vaccinated for COVID-19. Her older siblings are vaccinated for COVID-19. They are less likely to get COVID-19. They are less likely to pass COVID-19 on to Gina. What do you do if you've lost your vaccine card? Talk to the place where you got the first shot of the vaccine. This could be your doctor's office, a pharmacy, a local health clinic. They can help you get a new copy of your vaccine card. If you can't talk to the place you first got vaccinated at, talk to your state's Immunization Information Service, IIS. Immunization is another word for vaccine. Immunization information services are part of state governments. A state's Immunization Information Service keeps records of COVID-19 vaccinations in that state. They can help you get a new vaccine card. You can find your state's IIS at this website. If you still can't get a new copy of your vaccine card, talk to your doctor.